About 4.5 years ago is when I started in the job. I asked the question, when was the last time we added new academic programs here at Lake Superior State University? And the answer was it dated back maybe 3 decades or so. I thought, no, we need to refresh the curriculum, get some new programs going. And so what happened was the academic leaders came back to me and they said, would you consider something called cannabis chemistry? We had hoped that cannabis chemistry would be a popular program. But what we found is that the level of interest among students has been off the charts.
When I walk into the lab, I really see an educational experience that can be transformative to our students.
And it gives you, over your period, what your spectrum is. Now, that's an interesting thing. So this is actually a summation of ions, though. It's a little different than the data you probably want.
We wanted to focus in on creating a holistic, hands-on experience. And for the students, working with single vendors and working with Agilent equipment was the direction we chose to move.
We've grown it to one of the most impressive instrumentation suites in the United States for an undergraduate institution. And our Cannabis Center of Excellence is amazing. We have well over $3 million in instrumentation holdings, the majority of which is equipment from Agilent Technologies.
It's a very exciting field, and I am very interested in being kind of at the forefront of this. We do spend an extensive amount of time on these instruments that we have available to us, and that's really advantageous because I'm understanding how these instruments work.
It's the type of instruments that these students are going to be utilizing when they move into the cannabis industry. The students that are coming out of our program are going to be the industry experts.
Our relationship with Agilent goes well beyond just the instrumentation we have in the laboratories.
They have always been supportive of educational experiences and bringing new scientists into kind of the fold, and to work with users that may not fully yet understand all the technology. The regulatory environment surrounding cannabis is fluid, dynamic, it's changing all the time. The Agilent support team has been really wonderful to work with. Not only from the how does this button work on the instrument to the application side of things. Technical support staff has really positioned us in a place of bringing our students to the forefront of the industry, understand how to work with technology vendors, develop new methodologies as new pesticides become regulated. Cannabis chemistry students are some of the most driven students I've worked with. They have some of the most innovative ideas. They're moving into an industry that is new, there's a lot of energy in it, and they know they can shape it, which is really kind of a powerful place to be.
I see us as a pioneer in the area of cannabis studies and cannabis chemistry, and I'm really thrilled to see where all of this may take us in the years to come.